Hey guys, Trader Joe here again. Just giving you guys an update on my account. It's Monday, June 1st, 2020, and we did end up going long Bitcoin. Show you a quick recap here of the trades. So we took that trade on May 30th and we're currently June 1st. So here we go. We did take profit on that transaction. So we've taken a total of 5 trades, and we are currently winning 60% of our trades. We did take another trade that did end up being a losing position. So we're currently 60-40, and we also have an open position. So, and as you can see here by my current profit and loss chart, my losses didn't exceed my gains. We are still net positive, which is what we want to do. We want our, like you can see here, our profit was 0.004, our loss 0.003, and this is just a rundown of everything here. Looks like we did pay some financing on a portion of our position, which is fine. They charged us 0.0006215. Like I said, we did end up, even with taking another trade, net positive. So let's go back to the charts. So what we saw here on oil was, go out to the 1 hour chart, maybe even a little further out. I'll go to the 4 hour chart. So we saw we had this previous resistance kind of hanging around 34.90, 34.91, and go to the 15-minute chart. We had this pullback, and it was a nice quick pullback, something I do like to see. It's, my thinking is, if you see these fast pullbacks, these are typically traps, and they are just looking for the weak positions to panic sell. So we noticed that, and then on the 5-minute, we noticed we formed a double bottom. This previous support that panicked out did show some signs of resistance, but afterwards it did confirm the double bottom, and so we took our long as we pulled away from that double bottom, and now we're currently sitting in $35 in profit. I do have a take profit set at just shy of $35.50. What I'm thinking there is basically that this thing may just want to trade to the middle of the previous range, but this resistance, previous support that flipped to resistance, should hold as new support, and we should trade up to at least this. So I'm going to take half my position off there, and then my next target will be for this previous pattern to break out, which you can see on the 1 hour. We had a lot of resistance up near 36, so my next target will be to break out of 36, and I'll let you guys know how this position plays out. So if you did watch the previous video, I'll give you some Bitcoin analysis. We did have a buy stop just above these highs here, and then on this candle it did do a trap candle where it panicked down and then reversed hard. So that was when we were triggered into our long, took most of our profits up off near this current downtrend of resistance. We did try to re-enter long. We saw this pullback to the moving average on this 4-hour time frame. We did try to re-enter long, but we were stopped out for a small loss. That happens in trading. Considering this level here as potentially another long, I'll let you guys know what I end up doing there. Bitcoin does seem to be curious about breaking out of this downtrend of resistance, since we have already tested it quite a few times. It seems likely to me that now that we have this build up on this 4-hour near resistance, that we may just go right through it. So I'll let you guys know what I do there. It looks like we may be getting close to taking profit on the oil. And as far as the S&P goes, we had this downtrend of the resistance forming on the 1 hour, and we have this nice long-term uptrend, and looks like we're breaking out of the bears line that they needed to defend if they were going to try and reverse this market, which I wouldn't say this is a fail yet. This could be a false breakout. This is a market that does have a lot of traps, so you want to be careful trading S&P. And I am also going to let you guys know that I do have a challenge here with Topstep, where I'm going to try and get a funded account. Currently took about $900 in losses trading this today. It was a bit of a whipsaw day. If you want to look at 5-minute time frame, you can see that from the open, here's the open candle, outside reversal candle, basically knock out all the weak hands. They ran it long, they ran it short, running it long again. So yeah, we got chopped up in the attempt to try and get a funded account here today, but we're not out of the game yet, so I'll let you guys know how that goes as well. That's all the markets I look at. Like I said, I got Bitcoin open twice there, it looks like. I might put another market there, but my 3 main markets are Bitcoin, S&P, and oil. So getting close there on oil to hitting that first target, just a few pennies shy. My stop loss on this one I did set at 34.56. If this first take profit is reached, I'll bring the remaining portion up to break even, and then possibly even trail these moving averages as they begin to curl up, just to lock in those gains. So that's my trading for June 1st, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.